be done. 2 minutes.
Sir,
2 minutes.
5 minutes, sir.
No, 5 minutes, 2 minutes.
Sir, first of all, I would like to wholeheartedly support the now confidence motion submitted by our honorable leader and my colleague, Sri Gaurav Gogoiji. Sir, I would like to congratulate the honorable Prime Minister and the UPA government for hitting a century last year in means of petrol and diesel price hike. They hit a century. Prime Minister and the BJP Sarkar for hitting a century in petrol and diesel price hike. And today is the 100th day they have hit a century, the 100th day of violence in Manipur, sir. सर बोल रहा है कि सर मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है सर, ये सब हो सकता है सर. Sir, I visited Manipur on the 10th day, that is of 13th May, in Kangopi, Churamchandrapur and Imphal, sir. Sir, yesterday the Honorable Home Minister said that there are medicines, food, everything available, sir. Sir, from yesterday, I understand that Churamchandrapur is totally cut off from Manipur and there are no food, there are no medicines and no NGOs or people who can provide distress relief is not able to travel in the entire state of Manipur. Sir, 290 tribal villages, 354 tribal churches, 249 Methi churches, 16 Catholic churches, 7,500 houses were burned in Manipur, sir. Sir, this is an institutional attack on the minorities of this country. This is an institutional attack against the Christians of this country, sir. Sir, Modi hai to mumkin hai, sir. Sir, in Kerala, BJP leaders are visiting house to house, meeting the bishops, meeting the Catholic bishops, meeting people and giving cakes on Easter, sir. Sir, on the other hand, they are attacking the churches and Christians in this country, sir. Sir, Kerala में ऐसा होता है, sir. Sir बोल रहा है कि सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास. Sir, किसका साथ है ये सरकार, sir? पीड़ित के साथ है, दलित के साथ है, आदिवासी के साथ है, युवा के साथ है, छात्र के साथ है, किसी के साथ नहीं है सर. मणिपुर के भी साथ नहीं है. इस सरकार है सिर्फ अदानी और अंबानी के साथ है सर. सर, एक टैगलाइन है सर, एक पीआर कंपनी ने आपको एक टैगलाइन दिया है, बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी बचाओ, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास. सर, कुछ का नहीं है सर. यार, डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बहुत सारे चीजें किरण रिजिजू जी ने बताया था इधर सर. सर, इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट,
अमोल कोले.
सर, आई कंक्लूड सर, कंक्लूडिंग सर. सर, डियर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, you were silent in Gujarat and now you are silent in Manipur as well. Sir, the Prime Minister has told me.
Okay.
मैं सरकार के खिलाफ धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय. मैं सरकार के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव के समर्थन में खड़ा हूं. सरकार के इस